Hey guys, what's going on? Just a quick video. There's some breaking news coming out from Buenos Aires, Argentina. According to this article from CNN, there has been a train collision between two passenger trains. And right now, there's not that much information to share with you, except that at least 3 people have been killed and 150 others have been injured. Now, the cause of the crash is still under investigation, and right now there are emergency crews at the scene pulling out survivors and the dead. So right now, that's all the information that's been given. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down below for the news article, which this will be from CNN. And when there's more updates on this incident, I'll put those updates down below in the description box. So that's it for now, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.